Imagine a city that sits on two continents and feels like a bridge between eras. Welcome to Istanbul. Nestled where Europe meets Asia, this pulsing metropolis is famous for its dazzling skyline of domes and minarets, its bustling bazaars, and the watery ribbon of the Bosphorus that slices the city in two. You've probably heard about Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, but Istanbul is more than a postcard. It's a living, noisy, aromatic place where history and everyday life collide in the best possible way. The story of Istanbul stretches back thousands of years. It began as Byzantium, became the imperial capital Constantinople for the Roman and Byzantine empires, and later rose to new heights under the Ottomans. That layered past means every street can surprise you: a Roman ruin around the corner from an Ottoman courtyard, modern cafés beside ancient caravanserais. Interesting facts pop up constantly. The city has been the capital of empires, a hub of trade between East and West, and a creative center where artists and cooks mix flavors and ideas. Walk the old city and you can almost hear the centuries whispering in the stones. Look at Istanbul and you will notice contrasts at first glance. Narrow, cobbled lanes in neighborhoods like Balat and Sultanahmet open onto grand imperial squares. The Bosphorus shoreline is lined with wooden mansions, sleek ferries, fish restaurants, and modern glass towers. The air carries a mix of baking bread, roasting chestnuts, strong coffee, and the perfume of spices from the Grand Bazaar. Seagulls wheel above, and the call to prayer echoes from minarets, giving the city a timeless soundtrack. The atmosphere is both chaotic and intimate. Hawkers shout their wares, but shopkeepers remember your name after a single visit, and neighbors exchange tea and gossip on stoops. As for climate, Istanbul has hot, sometimes humid summers and cool, wet winters. Spring April to June and autumn September to early November are widely considered the best times to visit. You'll enjoy milder temperatures, blooming parks, and fewer crowds than the height of summer. Winters can be gray and occasionally snowy, but that adds a romantic fog over the Bosphorus. Everyday life here mixes the fast pace of a global city with deeply rooted traditions. People start their day with strong tea or Turkish coffee, enjoy late lunches, and gather in tea gardens or modern bars in the evenings. Ferries are not just for tourists, commuters rely on them, and a short boat ride across the Bosphorus feels like a daily ritual. Hospitality is sincere. Expect friendly invitations, lively conversations, and a readiness to help if you get lost. Must-see places are many and varied. In Sultanahmet, Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque sit opposite each other, and the nearby Basilica Cistern offers an eerie underground world. The Topkapi Palace gives a window into Ottoman court life, while the Grand Bazaar and Spice Bazaar overload the senses with color and scent. Take a Bosphorus cruise at sunset to see palaces and fortresses draped in golden light. Don't miss Galata Tower's views, the lively Istiklal Street and Taksim Square for modern city energy, and the Asian side neighborhoods like Katakoy for a more local vibe. For food lovers, try simit, fresh fish sandwiches by the shore, mezes, and baklava, and always finish with strong Turkish coffee. Practical tips will make your trip smoother. Buy an Istanbul cart for easy access to trams, buses, ferries, and metros. It's cheaper and more convenient than single tickets. Dress modestly when visiting mosques. Shoulders and knees covered, and women may need a scarf to enter some sites. Bargaining is common in bazaars, but done politely. Always smile and keep it friendly. Tap water is generally treated, but many visitors prefer bottled water. Pickpocketing can happen in crowded areas, so keep valuables secure and carry a copy of your passport. English is widely spoken in tourist areas, but learning a few Turkish phrases goes a long way. To wrap up, Istanbul is a city of contrasts that rewards curiosity. It's loud and gentle, ancient and modern, full of flavors and stories. Spend time wandering without a strict plan, let the ferries take you across continents, sit with a cup of tea and watch the city move. You will leave with memories of a place that feels both foreign and strangely familiar.